Hey folks, it is Steve from M4LED, and I just want to do a real quick video on the rotatable end caps on the T8 tubes because we get questions about them and how to install them. The T8 tubes do have a rotatable end cap that can be turned 90 degrees. The reason this is done is that some fixtures have them installed ultimately with the pins this way. Some of them have the pins vertical and they just snap right in. So to accommodate that, we have a rotatable end cap because on a fluorescent tube, it has glass all the way around it, but on an LED tube, the lens needs to face downward and it has a heat sink that faces upward. The problem is on something like this, you orientate the pins correctly first, and then people will put them in and then try to snap rotate them into the fixture, but they're grabbing this part of the tube. And when they're doing that, the pins are just rotating again. So in order to get it into the fixture on one that's in this direction and ultimately needs to be like this, you have to hold the end caps on both sides, not the center of the tube. So put them in the orientation you need, hold the end caps, slide them up into position, and twist it into the final position. Your heat sink will be above the light, your lens will be below the light, lighting up the room. So I hope this tip helps. This is only on the T8 tubes. The T5 tubes don't apply because they don't need the rotatable end caps because typically they go in the normal orientation. We have all kinds of tube lights, all kinds of colors to convert from fluorescent to LED. Be sure to go to m4led.com. And if you have absolutely any questions on installing tubes and rewiring the fixture, don't hesitate to ask before, during, or after the sale. As with any proper LED conversion on tube lights, you will be doing a rewire to the fixture. T5 tubes with a driver, we're going to give you instructions, and we also have resources to help you through it.